Hey guys, whoa, hey. Hey guys, OneManOneCamera. Today we're on Harmon and heading down to the Strip. Make a left turn and go down to Mandalay Bay. It is about 11:35 in the morning on April 12th, about 71 degrees. And the streets, as always, are empty. Let's go. But check it out. See this building right here in the middle? That's the Waldorf Astoria, which was previously the Mandarin Hotel or the Mandarin Oriental. They kind of change the name sometimes, not really sure, sorry about that. But if you notice that gap, that glass, that is the Sky Bar. I've been there, lovely place, pricey. The gin tonic will set you back, depending on which brand of gin you order, like 20 bucks, 22 bucks. So, you know, lovely place, but pricey. Okay, we're gonna go on Harmon and we're gonna get into the left lane and see if we can make a turn. And it's my first time doing this, so let us see. Pardon me. It's a cloudy day today, a little bit of breeze, and to the right we have, Chosun Hawaru Korean barbecue. I want to try that place. I saw the guy Derek, all you can in Vegas. Go there. Look tasty. Nice breakfast place, I think. Nacho Daddy. Still one of the greatest names for a restaurant. And Buffalo Wild Wings. Nacho Daddy. I love that name. Let's see. How are we going to do this? Shot of the Strip. And so now we'll just turn back this way. So this is where we left off last time. One on the Strip from the Strat, because it was just far too windy to continue for me. And I just said, forget it. Not in those exact words, of course, but it was just too much. That wind was a son of a gun that day. All right, here we go. Let's have some fun. Okay. Well, this was the Harley Davidson barbecue place before. That's gone now. Another Tex-Mex place. But, you know, I'm not sure if they actually opened up or not before the madness hit. Oh well. And to the left, you can see it or not, there's Fat Burger. And those guys have some delicious burgers there. You know, great burgers, great French fries, very delicious. And I think that was the first one I went to. The first Fat Burger I ever went to is that one over there. Man, it was good. I was just surprised. All right. And there's Bobby's Burger Palace. That stuff was okay. But if I compare the two, I think maybe Bobby's Burger has more fancier type things, but plain, straightforward, no frills burger, delicious. Here's the Park MGM. Oh, and there's the new Target whenever it opens. Now the Park MGM has the Crack Shack, which is this chicken place. Been there once, tastes pretty good. And also the Park MGM has the Italy for your Italian products. EATALY. Tasty stuff. Also, the upper end of the price scale. So, when things return, pop in and say hello. Good stuff there. To the right is the park. But that's a little sitting area, you know, there's like a brewery back there. I call it, it's a bar really. Shake Shack. The Another chicken place over there. Been there once. Tastes good, but their walls I think are look like brick, so they're solid, which is fine. But they had loud music playing, so it just bounced around in there, and I was like, no, no, thank you, forget it. Adios, au revoir. Here is Tropicana, which from what I read was recently sold to someone. So hey, and we all love the Hershey's chocolate kisses, yay, yay. The MGM Lion, it will roar again. Roar, 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 roar again. We're on Tropicana and Las Vegas Boulevard. This is Excalibur. They have that Tournaments of Kings show with the knights and eat with your hands, because it's like the old medieval type style of having fun. New York, New York. There is Lady Liberty. Here we go. One of our buses, the Deuce, heading off somewhere. Oh, the buses, like before, what they do is they kind of seal off the front part of the bus for the driver, so you cannot go in the front door, okay? So you just hop on. Now, they're not charging people because there's no machines on the buses at the back door, well, on most of the buses anyway. So people are riding for free, but they're still paying the drivers. So you know they're taking a huge hit in the pocketbook for that. And so like a lot of the transportation places, or what do you call it, the transportation companies are getting government assistance, or will need it. All right, anyway, so here we go, Excalibur. And their adverts with the Hans clock. He's a magician. Esports at the Luxor. They have a this esports place where you can go in there and watch either some esports or participate. But now I don't know what's gonna happen to those guys when this stuff ends. The Luxor. That tower, that post on the left, there's actually two of them. Someone asked before, and I commented back to them. They commented to me. What was that? They were trying to have a thing called the Sky View, which is basically a giant Ferris wheel, okay? But that project collapsed, and that was that. See, they're working on the streets over here, trying to get everything nice and fixed up for when the reopening happens. And even right here, more work. It's like a combo of pipes and so on. We'll try and get this stuff done. Oh crap, I did it again. Dang it. Oh. Hey, what if I crash in that little pit right there? Would you guys laugh? Just kidding. Yes, you would. So you can almost see the two pillars now, yeah? Or two columns. I always think about Ozymandias when I come down here. How the, you know, two trunkless legs. So, oh well. Mandalay Bay. Junior steamroller. All right, you guys. Huh, this is a short one. Huh. I didn't realize how short it was gonna be. Anyway, guys, like I always say, see me outside, say hello, back, take care, have a good day.